Hello everyone, I'm Lisa.
Wow!
Today, I will unbox this new toy. Cash and cards look so real. We also have coins. A lot of fast foods right here. Chips and cone. I think this is Coke. A yummy burger. Ketchup and egg tart, so delicious.
Aha!
First, let's draw a van. Cut following the lines so we can have a minivan. Remember, include the wheels. Inside is full of red and yellow color. The buns had got orange color. Blue windows, signal, and a McDonald's brand. Adding wheels and border outlined with orange. At the front, making big eyes and stick on the brand identity. Giant yellow lights. On the first floor, I will make a cabinet. Started from many layers of cardboard. Border outside with red. With this gray clay, I make it as an oven. Six colorful lights. Some doors as cabinets. McDonald's baby. This is for trash. Mixing white with blue clay so we can have a granite color. Cover the cardboard to make granite counter. What do you want to put on the counter? I will try to make a soft drink machine. Ensemble Formex. At the bottom is black. We have Coke, Pepsi, and Fanta. Recycle straws to make the sprays. Where can I fry the chips? Let's make an oil tanker. It's all shining so you can see oil clearer. This is a vent with full of orange cover outside. Two black lines to make different than Mac's logo. And then we have a shelf made from pieces of Formex. I'm trying to make tiny burger now. Lettuce, tomato, beef. Poke it to make it more like beef. Can't forget cheese, tomato, and lettuce again, then finish with the left bun. Yummy! What you think I should do with this yellow clay? Lace around with pearl chain. This yellow pearl for stand. And tiny flower. We got a table, now for the chairs. Recycle buttons and adding Mac back. White cap bottle for the stand.
Hello, I want to order.
Hi, which dish you want to try?
Here's your money.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
I just finished the kitchen. It made me feel hungry. Now it's time for second floor. What does it look like for you? Cut following the line. Paint all the pieces with red and ensemble together. Adding few stickers. This is the bathtub. A mirror. Recycle straw with button. This is our shower. Recycle another cap, then wrap around with orange foam. Ensemble more few pieces. Surround with golden yellow. Adding lid and water tank. Our bathtub is shining with all the golden stuff. Next is bedroom. As casual bed is the first thing I do for this room. Flatting yellow clay, then cover outside cardboard. Surround it with orange wave line. Mac button. Next is cushion with a lot of cotton. Red fabric cover outside. Cut out the excess border. Big white lace with small yellow one for decorate. Tiny bouty. Big logo with pearl chain surround. What do you think about McDonald's bed? We also make slide, a colorful one for entertainment. Both sides have pearl chains. Now it's time for giant burger. Green lettuce on tomato layer. Giant beef, hope to make it more real. Big eye with blinks. Big smile with pink cheeks. little feet. The McDonald's van is completed.
McDonald's. Burger and chips are so yummy. There is something up there. Can I eat this giant burger?
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any idea, please let me know by comment below. I really want to listen to your opinion.